When the time finally comes to lead a life you've dreamed about, then this centrally located, spectacular North Creek post and beam home may be just the location you've been looking for. Situated in the heart of the Adirondack Park, close to ski resorts, lakes, and some of upstate's most interesting and quaint villages, this property is perfect for taking in all this historic region has to offer. This property is a quick flight into Warren County Airport or a very manageable, carefree 3-hour drive from Metro New York. Spend time on Lake George. Enjoy shopping in Lake Placid. Or hit the races in Saratoga. No matter your desires, there's always something to do just a short ride away. And when you return, you are coming home to a beautiful, recently updated 5-bedroom, 5,800 plus square foot contemporary masterpiece that has been built with stunning attention to detail, both inside and out. Beautifully landscaped on just over 5 acres, with stone-lit pillars ushering you up the drive, this 10-room home has a walkout basement, 9-zone radiant heating, air conditioning, and more. The open floor plan offers a gourmet kitchen with eat-at counter, adjacent dining area, and spectacular vaulted great room with huge stone fireplace. From the kitchen, there is easy egress to a large deck, making entertaining both inside and out a joy. There are well-crafted and positioned wood accent beams and ceilings throughout, giving this home the warm ambience you'd expect in the Adirondacks. There are 5 large bedrooms that include a first-floor master suite, 3 bedrooms on the second level, and 1 in the walkout basement. The walkout also includes a large game room, family room, and full bath. This magnificent estate home is now ready and available for its next intrepid owner to enjoy.